Did you know that you might be entitled to receive thousands of dollars from Amazon in reimbursements for damaged or lost inventory? Amazon doesn't like to talk about it really that much, but it's true. Reimbursements might become a crucial part of any wholesale business cash flow. Just imagine getting back hundreds of thousands of dollars or more every year, money that you'd never see again otherwise. Just imagine how many extra products you could invest in and how much faster you could grow your business, just thanks to doing the reimbursements audit each year or quarter. But most sellers don't know how to do the reimbursements audit and how to get money back from Amazon. And honestly, it's not their fault. It's just a complicated process that's not obvious to most. And the good news here comes that Scan Unlimited is here to change that and help all our users. And so today, Scan Unlimited proudly introduces a new feature called Automated Reimbursements Plus. As an Unlimited Plus member, you now have the ability to automate your reimbursements and retrieve your refunds effortlessly. We've collaborated with Seller Investigators, the foremost solution for Amazon reimbursements, to provide you with top-notch service along with an additional extra discount. Available only for Scan Unlimited Unlimited Plus members. Reimbursements Plus feature is now available to all our Unlimited Plus members. If you're not yet a Plus member, all you need to do is to upgrade your subscription within Scan Unlimited dashboard. You can do it easily from the in-app level by going to the upper right corner and clicking the user icon, then choosing the subscription tab. There you can upgrade to Plus plan and instantly be able to access Reimbursements Plus. Another great thing about the Plus plan, you'll get access to other premium features as well. But let's go back for a moment and talk about what you'll get and what you'll have when you join the Unlimited Plus now with Reimbursements Plus. Number one, you'll get a free audit to uncover your potential Amazon refunds. Number two, you'll save time on manual support case creations. And number three, you'll improve cash flow efficiency with faster reimbursements. And on top of that, number four, you're also going to receive $500 of the fees for your first reimbursement audit. With Scan Unlimited and Seller Investigators partnership, Amazon reimbursements have been made finally simple. So we encourage you to reclaim your time and money with the most transparent Amazon reimbursement service in the industry. You can start a VIP audit from Seller Investigators today and uncover and reclaim more funds with greater transparency than any other service in the industry, and get additional cash flow for your business. What are the key benefits of doing such thing? Number one, you trace and monitor every dollar owed to you and any returns. Seller Investigators are an authorized Amazon third-party vendor and a well-established history of success, so you stay informed about your claims with regular weekly reports. Whenever you want accurate alerts for weight and dimension changes, or you need an automatic packing list generator to make invoice reporting painless, the Seller Investigators Toolkit offers comprehensive support and best-in-class service to sellers. Again, Reimbursement Plus feature is now available to our Unlimited Plus members, all of them. If you are not yet that Plus member, all you need to do is upgrade your subscription within the Scan Unlimited dashboard. From in-app, you can do it by going to the upper right corner and clicking on the user icon, then choosing the subscription tab. There, you can upgrade to Plus plan and instantly be able to access Reimbursement Plus. And one more cool thing about the Plus plan, you get access to other premium features as well, and you get the double scanning speed in comparison to Unlimited plan. You can always watch video for each of the Unlimited Plus features by going to the Unlimited Plus tab in the navbar on the left-hand side of the dashboard and clicking on any of those features. There's always going to be a video tutorial you can watch. Thank you for watching this video. We're eager to help you automate your reimbursement process and retrieve your refunds and your money effortlessly.